Welcome back, guys. The second task we'll do in this session is to verify our accounts. How do we do that? Click on this question mark. As you can see here, this question mark, you click on complete identity verification. Now I'll click on this to complete the verification, and here is the identity verification. It says complete identity verification to access Bybit service. Now we have the level 1 verification, which says after level 1 verifications, it requires the following government ID and liveness check. So let me do that right away. All I have to do is to click on verify now and choose my location, which is Nigeria, and I would use my passport. I'll use my passport rather. That will be my passport. I'll use to verify this. So I'll continue right here. I'll confirm this, or you verify with your app. Anyhow you want to do it, choose one of those. So I'm going to confirm this and proceed to this. This is your KYC, your customer session. Every exchange would ask you for this. So all I have to do is to say no US residents, and I'm going to continue this right now. Having to continue this, I'm going to allow the use of my camera. So all I have to do is to use my laptop camera to verify this. You can as well use your mobile phone to do that. So I'm going to use my laptop camera to do that. So all I have to do is to say next, or you continue with your phone. So you can do any of those. So I'm going to do this and get back to you on the next thing to do. So I've submitted my passport, and the next process is to do this. I'm going to do this right away by using my laptop camera as well. So let me position my face to fit the frame. That's all you need to do. So right now, I've processed the verification. Your face scan was successful. Now I can continue. Thank you. We are processing your data. Your verification status we update in few minutes. You may stay on the page or click here to view your result later. Okay, so I'm going to continue. I'm going to proceed with all that. So right now, I've done my KYC registration. So any of the exchanges you choose, you should make sure you do all these verification. And until you are verified, that's when you can carry out your transactions and your trading. I hope to see you in the next lesson where I get to talk more about this. I hope to see you there. See you there.